Now, someone asked me about how to make pom-poms, so why don't I show you? Okay, so I have got my pom-pom maker here. Now, you can actually do it with cardboard if you want to. You just need 2 circles of cardboard. So what I tend to do is get like something circled, draw around it, then another one that's a bit bigger and draw around that as well. And then make sure that it's got an opening to it. So you want it so that it'll have, if I can undo this, an opening like that on your cardboard, so you can then put your yarn in and go round it. Now I'm going to use this pom-pom maker. It's got these little catches on the end, but you don't have to have those. So start by grabbing your yarn. We're going to put them together with the bobbly bits together like that. It takes a minute to sort of grab hold of it. Place your yarn in and then start winding round and round and round. So round and round and round and round. Then cross over to the other side. Don't worry that there's going to be a longer bit because you can trim it afterwards. I've just sort of placed it under there. Do the other side. Round and round and round. You can make it as thick or as not thick as you want. Okay, you close it up. Use your little catches to hold it down if you've got catches. Like that. You're then going to snip around the edge. We're then going to get a piece of yarn, wrap it around the centre, tie it tight, go back to the other way, so you're doubling back on yourself. Tie again, and this time I would suggest knotting it. Keep your ends long because you can use those to sew it on. Double check that you've cut everything. Oh, there's a little bit up there. Pull the 2 sides off. And there you have, I'm just going to tie that a little bit tighter, your pom-pom. And I'm going to trim mine so it's all lovely all the way round. I like my pom-poms a little bit messy. I don't like them to look, totally perfection, super rounded. So there we go. There we are.